Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to register TikTok business account. Before I start, I would appreciate a like and a subscription. Thank you. Well, the first step is to open TikTok. You will create an account in the traditional way like any other. Then go to your profile, then click on the three little lines on the top right. Click on Settings and Privacy. Account. Switch to business account. Next. And here choose your business. Here you can add an email for your profile. And here you can customize your bio. And that's it, you now have all the features of a business account. And if we go back to edit our profile, we will see that we can now add a link here where it says website. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks.